Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok account here, and if you're trying to grow your following list and you want, a bunch of people to randomly find you, then it's better to set your TikTok profile to public. But if you just want to share TikToks between friends and you don't want a bunch of random people messaging you, it's better to have it set to private, and I'll show you how to do that. At the bottom right here, we'll tap on Profile, and then we will tap on the three lines at the top right and hit Settings and Privacy here. Now, the second option is Privacy. We'll choose that. And here at the very top, it says Private Account. With a private account, only accounts you approve can follow you. So we can toggle that on, and it'll walk you through what this will change. And you'll notice some of these settings down below have changed from everyone to only me. And if you go through this list, you can modify it even further to make it either more private or less private. For instance, let's go into comments here, and you can say who can comment on your videos. If you want to, you can switch that to no one if you don't want anyone to comment on your videos. And if you go back, you can go to mentions and tags. You can switch that to no one, or followers that follow you back. You can go to following list, and you can switch that to only me if you want that more private as well. So you can go through on a lot of these different things, direct messages, switch that to no one, and set it to being more private so that really nobody can interact with you and your TikTok profile unless they follow you and you've approved them as a follower, and you can modify what they can and can't do. So it's nice that TikTok gives you the ability to adjust and edit how private your account you want it to be, or how public your account you want it to be. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.